Good morning, all. I am Dr.R.Aiyshwariya, Associate Professor, Department of AIDS, RMK Today, we are going to see about the Introduction to Data Science. Today's class, I am going to deliver data science definition, benefits and uses of data science, and the different facets of data. So, first one is data science. So, what is data science? So, combining computer science, statistics, and mathematics. So, we are going to combine all the three things together. It's known as a data science process. So, it's a definition. It is a field of applying advanced analytics techniques and scientific principles to extract the valuable information from data. So, if you want to extract any useful information from the database for any purpose, for business, decision making, strategic planning, and other uses also, we can real time applications also we can implement using this data science field. So, main thing is to extract the valuable informations from the data. So we are going for the data science. So why we are going for data science? So mainly for extracting the data and generating the insights from that particular data. Main thing happening in data science is data analysis and processing. We are going to pre-process the particular information, that is cleaning unwanted data and removing unwanted noise and data from the particular data source. And our main objective is to apply some useful machine learning algorithms. After this pre-processing process, we are going to apply some machine learning algorithm. Either it is a supervised algorithm or unsupervised algorithm. According to our objective, it will be changing. Okay, finally, after applying that results, our results will be published using the graphical format, and it will be given to the deployment stage. So this is the particular data science process. So mainly it is deal with the data in order to assist the companies in making proper decisions. So extracting data, generating insights from data, and data analysis and processing. So these are the steps happening in data science. So what is the data science applications? So many real-time applications that is used. So first one is for targeted advertising. It is used for internet search. It is also used in e-commerce field, education field, and video streaming. So for all these real-time applications, we are using this data science. So benefits and uses of data science. First, commercial companies are using this data science. Example is Google, AdSense, MaxPoint, and financial institutions. And for many staff and student applications also, we can use this data science process. So next one is second benefits is governmental organizations can use this for sharing the files with the public. And third one is non-governmental organizations also use, that is WWF, World Wildlife Fund. So the last one is various universities and educational institutions also using this data science process to enhance the study experience. So next our topic is facets of data. So what are the different facets of data means? It's categorized into six types. Mainly the six to seven types it will be categorized. So this facets of data is structured data, unstructured data, natural language processing, and fourth one is machine generated data, graph based data, audio, video, and images. It will come in that streaming also come in that audio, video, and images. So we can say 5 to 6 process it will be finished. So structured, unstructured, natural language, machine generated, graph based, and audio, video, and images streaming. So first one is structured data. So the name itself specifies structured is an organized data. We don't want to analyze the data again. It will be always organized, the data structure. It's a collection of organized models. So we can say any files or Excel files or any databases that is in an organized manner. So data that depends on a data model resides in a fixed field or within a record is known as structured data. We can take as example of any tables in Excel. Unstructured data. It won't fit in any data model because it's not in an organized manner. So one main example we can take as a Gmail or a regular emails that is coming. It's an unstructured data format. The third data is natural language. So NLP data. It's a special type of unstructured data. It is also an unstructured data. It's a human written email also is an best example of NLP, this natural language data. So mainly it requires the knowledge of specific data science techniques and linguistics. Linguistics nothing but the scientific study of a particular language is natural language. And next one is machine generated data. So machine generated data is the information that is automatically created by computer. So if we run any files means we can say that that is a machine related data in command prompt and all, it will come. So examples of machine data are we can see the history of web server logs, call details, records, network events, everything is stored in this machine generated data format. Next one is graph based on network format. So graph based is a it's a natural way to represent social networks. We can take any social networks, for example, Facebook. How many friends are connecting in our network? From Facebook to another, if we are using Instagram, means how many friends are connected in both of the network. We can relate all this data using this graph based networking. So mainly it is used to store graph based data and query it with special query languages. The next one is audio, image, and video. So, audio, image, and video are the data types that pose specific challenges to a data scientist. So, um, in an example, a company called DeepMind succeeded at creating an algorithm that's capable of learning how to play the video games. So, in this format, they are analyzing how we are going to play the video games also. We can analyze it. So next one is streaming. So streaming of data, we can know that in YouTube or Google Chrome, whatever it is, the streaming of data will come. So it can take almost of the previous forms and an extra properties. The main thing is the data flows into the system when an event happens instead of being loaded into the data stored in a batch. That is known as streaming. So we can say as example as Twitter, live sports, live music events, and the stock market, everything comes under this streaming. Okay. So these are the various facets of data. So first one is structured data, unstructured data, natural language, machine generated data, graph based or network data, audio, image and video, and the final one is streaming. So these are the various facets of data. So in today's class, we saw about what is data science and what is the definition, exact definitions of data science, what are the benefits and uses of data science, and finally the facets of data. So thank you all.